Hello, Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings everyone. It's me Sabina with my Module 3 Part 2 Initiative Update for the World Pulse Changemaker Lab Programme 2022. Lesson 5. This video recording was presented by Anna and it was 1 hour and 14 minutes plus long. And the subject it covered was storytelling techniques. I thoroughly enjoyed listening about tips for your arguments. I chose the great angular approach for my elevator pitch, although I now feel this approach was far too simplistic. I may have to re-record my elevator pitch video and include more details in the future. I used the golden circle theory, why, how and what. I need to reread the resource links again. I have blogged and explained my fair trade journey on my website, the Little Fair Trade Shop, but I now realise I may have to create a concise version. As a visual learner, I asked my graphic designer to create an infographic timeline about my fair trade journey, and this is available on my website, the Little Fair Trade Shop, dated from 2008 to 2017. Lesson 6 with Andrea Arzaba. I thoroughly enjoyed listening about how to effectively work with the media, and I loved Andrea's quote that she used in her presentation. Nobody will magically find your work. You need to promote it and nurture relationships with the media. That will help you to reach the audiences you are interested in. I need to create a personal list of journalists I would like to work with. I must work on my media toolkit and keep my initiative and the business, my social enterprise, evergreen. Lesson 7 with Miss Benjamin. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Miss Benjamin for her time and to tell her what a soothing, calm voice she has. It's always a pleasure to listen to her. This session focused on communication ethics, and this was such an important subject. I learnt what is ethics, what is communication, the elements and principles of ethical communication, the 7 steps of verifying information with emphasis on consent, credit and share. I thoroughly enjoyed this session, Miss Benjamin, because everything made sense. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Thank you so much for commenting and writing your encouraging posts. Thank you for writing your encouraging messages on my initiative updates. And thank you so much to everybody for supporting my work. Take care, peace and blessings. Wa alaikum assalam.